How to fix Shopee no cash on delivery. Now, this isn't really something you can technically fix, but there are a few reasons why you might not see the cash on delivery option in Shopee. So, possible reasons is that the seller or courier doesn't support COD for that specific product. So, if you go ahead and look at other products, you should be able to see a COD option if that's the case. But other than that, this could be because your account or previous behavior has triggered restrictions. So if you refuse or fail to accept multiple COD orders in the past, COD can become disabled for you. So there may be internal risk flags on your account causing COD to not be offered, but you can potentially fix this by going to customer support and asking on what you can do, or just um try not doing negative activity next time. This could potentially just solve that little problem. There's also a order value or type restriction for this case. So very high value orders or certain categories may automatically exclude COD. So for example, you buy something that is around 50,000. This will trigger a no COD. It can be removed for purchases a above a certain threshold. So if you order multiple items and one of them is not eligible for COD, then the whole order may not be COD as well. So those are the cases on why COD is not available for a specific product or in Shopee. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.